Hi everybody, my name is Tom Solid, and as many of you know, I published a digital bullet journal for 2019, so it's a 2019 version. And I built this together with you out there, with the community, with the Paperless movement community. I made a beta test, and many of you, gave me all the inspiration and all the things I should add to this digital journal. And this is the reason why I was able to create a journal that you actually really need and that is really useful for most of you out there. And this is actually reflected in all the awesome reviews I already got on my shop for this digital journal. Many of you appreciated especially the complexity of the journal. So you have, for example, the project section in the end where you can just jump from any side to there, and you can jump to the weekly view, to the daily view, and it's really complex. It's more than 400 pages, this digital journal, and so I was using several tricks to do this. So for example, when I want to change the color of the journal, it is much easier for me because I only have to change one master slide. There's no magic behind creating journals. Just go into YouTube and enter how to create a digital journal. You will find loads of resources showing you this. However, I have a special way to create this digital journal which saves loads of times, especially if you want to change something on all the 365 pages of the year. For example, you made a mistake and you just made copy paste, so you have to go back all the 365 pages. I made some tricks where I just have to change one single page and everything will be changed on all these other pages as well. So if you're interested to know how all this works, I want to offer you to create an online course, how to create a digital journal like a pro. But as you know, I create everything together with the community in mind, but especially with your feedback. I'm getting a load of feedback via email or surveys and so on. So this helps me to create the things you really need. And here it's the same thing. I created a landing page where you can just go over and you can sign up for the online course waiting list, so I know that you are interested. And as soon we hit 100 people interested in me creating an online course explaining you how to build a digital journal on your own, then I know there is a need out there, and then I can focus on creating an online course for this topic especially. If we don't reach 100 people signing up to this waiting list for the online course until April 15th, I won't create this online course, because I really know then, okay, there's no interest or no need out there for this online course, and I will follow up other projects I have in the pipeline. So waiting for your feedback, and just hop over to this website to sign up if you're interested. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.